Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build and fly a new 5-inch racing quadcopter. The frame that I'm going to use is the Flywoo Crab, which I've recently reviewed. In addition, I'm going to use these beautiful Flywoo 2207 2450 kV motors, the Racer Star Metal 4-in-1 ESC, the Flywoo F405 flight controller, the Runcam Micro Swift 3 FPV camera, the TBS Unify Pro SE VTX, and the Crossfire Nano receiver. As you can see, I've already assembled the motors and the 4-in-1 ESC, and by the way, when you power up the ESC, these two eyes light up, which is kind of cool, but pretty useless because anyway, it's going to be covered by the flat controller. So now I'm going to assemble the rest of the quadcopter, and then I'm going to head outdoors and test it out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you in the end of it in order to give you my conclusion.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
So overall, I can tell you that this setup is very agile and extremely powerful. Its total weight is 337.1 grams, and I could get just a little over 2 minutes of flight time when using 1300 mAh, 4S and 5S type of batteries. So the Flywoo 2207 2450 kV motors are very power hungry, maybe even more than the 2306 version, and I recommend that you should keep the build as light as you can and also consider using bigger batteries. Regarding the build itself, you should note that you don't have a lot of space in the center to fit your stack, so I recommend to use the shortest spacers that you can, and if possible fit the VTX on top of the stack and not in this manner, because if you're going to fit it like that, it's going to be an issue to service the quadcopter, because one of the features of this frame is that you can just remove 2 screws from the bottom and just open up the canopy, and unfortunately if you're going to mount the VTX like that, it's not going to be possible. Finally, even though these motors are compatible with 5S LiPo batteries, I had some strange issues when using them, and I think the issue was that the vibrations were too high, and I think that the problem is with this flight controller, which is using the ICM 2602 chip, and if you're going to use 5S LiPo batteries, it's going to increase the vibrations, and a better choice would be probably to use a flight controller that is using an MPU 6000 chip, or consider soft mounting the motors, which should reduce the vibrations. Besides that, I didn't have any issues with the 4-in-1 ESC or flight controller, and I think that the TBIS Unified Pro HV SE performed great, and I'm going to post a separate review about this VTX. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you have any questions about any of the components that I used, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.